Welcome back to Overheat, the 2026 Toyota Prevost Motorhome, a balance of luxury and reliability. External, in addition to being aesthetically beautiful, the aerodynamic, streamlined exterior lowers wind resistance and increases fuel efficiency. Adaptive LED lighting, a full LED lighting system with headlights that adjust their orientation based on inputs from the steering wheel. Large, double windows with built-in UV protection and privacy features are common. There is an electronic or hydraulic access door, and lots of storage underneath the seat. There is an incorporated automatic awning that opens and closes when a button is pressed. Interior, kitchen, top-of-the-line stainless steel equipment, including a large freezer-equipped refrigerator, a built-in dishwasher, a convection oven microwave, and an induction cooktop. To sinks made of stainless steel and designer faucets. Clever storage is made possible with soft closed drawers and sliding shelves. A king-size bed with a leather or cloth-covered headboard and a premium mattress latex or memory foam. Either a walk-in closet or a large closet with a clever storage system. The RV has a number of 4K flat-screen TVs. A powerful diesel engine, a large capacity battery, and a powerful electric motor are all combined in a diesel-electric hybrid. The hydrogen fuel cell is a more futuristic but still very feasible solution for Toyota. The hydrogen fuel cell technology will generate emission-free electricity for the electric motor. An emergency automated braking system's goal is to prevent or mitigate the effects of an accident. A 360-degree surround vision camera facilitates parking and maneuvering. Tire pressure monitoring system TPMS. Satellite connectivity and fast internet. Touch-sensitive control panels are positioned throughout the RV to allow you to adjust the lighting, temperature, awnings, blinds, and other functions. Using a virtual assistant for voice control. HVAC system with multiple zones, every room of the camper is kept at a suitable temperature thanks to its several thermostat zones and accurate climate control.